As you all can see now, I have downloaded the data. Okay, so it got downloaded in the downloads folder, but I've shared it with at another location. And as you can see over here, there is one more zip file. So what am I going to do is I'm going to again extract this over here. So once you are able to extract this, you could see over here ECG Data.mat file, which is a data set. Let's go back to MATLAB. And now you can see what I've done is I've skipped this part wherein this example states that the data should be downloaded in the temporary directory and then you should create another directory and so on. And before we jump to this particular part where we are supposed to plot the ECG data, let us first load the data. Okay, so let's try and load the data. So it's very simple. You have to just double click over here and you could see you have loaded the data. If you type this command who, you should be able to see it shows you ECG data. Let's look at the data set first. So in the workspace window, you could see you have this ECG data, which is of class struct. And I want to understand what exactly it has. So there are data as well as the labels. If you click on data, you'll find out it says there are 162 by 65536. So what is this 162? These are the samples, and this is the length of a sample. If you go to labels, you should see now this is 162 by 1 where there are these labels. And if you remember in the part 1, we have discussed that this data set is unbalanced. So we do not have samples, okay, which are equal over here. For example, if we talk about ARR, arrhythmia, you can see now it starts at index 1 and ends at index 96, so 96 sample. Similarly, you have this CHF, congestive heart failure, and normal sinus rhythm. Now we know this. What I want to do is I want to plot some data. So how I'm going to do that? So let me first extract the data. So how are we going to do that? I'll show you.